while you're here, subscribe.
Drew this part up in Fusion 360. It's just a basic, slot type of shape with 2 holes and a square for the 3/8 ratchet extension. Saved it from Fusion as a STL and imported into Cura to do the slicing for the 3D printer. My infill is set at around 8%, and then my profile default, I have it at 0.3. Just that way it'll print faster. With that, it gives me about 9 minutes for this part, which really isn't too bad. I'm 3D printing a tool so I can move the Z-axis on my CNC milling machine with a ratchet. Printing the tool with PLA and at 100% feed rate, so it's about 60 inches a minute. Here's the completed part. I did goof on the hole size, so I put them at 0.250, and for some reason they came under at 0.240. So I had to reprint this part at a diameter of 0.5. Here you're looking down at the top view of my Z-axis. I have the servo motor off, and the tool is going to fit around those 2 pins. I measured them at 250. I went 0.5 on my second print, just to have some extra room. That's all, so that I knew the tool would fit. Here looking at the second print, diameter 0.5 on both the cylindrical holes there, and the 3/8 center squares for the ratchet extension to go into. The bottom print is the original one I printed, and then the top print is the oversized holes. The printing is identical, so I didn't show that again. It's just the holes are a little bit bigger. It's identical though. Here's the tool with the extension placed into the rectangle here, and I'm just showing the actual setup, and you can see where the 2 holes goes around the pins here in the Z-axis. Yeah, just a basic tool, nothing really too spectacular, but it helps out greatly getting the Z-axis to move manually by hand with a hand ratchet, so it worked out good on this. Here you can see I placed it Z-axis, and now I'm actually moving the Z-axis down on negative Z to lower it a little bit so I can check out some limit switches and see if those are working correctly. This machine also goes into interlock, so once it goes into Z, it interlocks, and then you can't move it, so I have to move it by manual at this point because I'm having some issues with the tool changer. So at this point I'm just overriding the interlock to get it to Z to move. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.